For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
Shapunjan bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Itiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafowethu, amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.
Itiski TV powered by World Sports Betting. Itiski Times.co.za. It was a match that's supposed to be a big one, particularly in the context of number 1 versus number 2. However, it does feel dampened by the fact that it's an 18-point gap and it looks like all of this thing is over. So maybe that will affect the tension that would have existed in this game. Had it played maybe with those two teams separated by 6 points, it would have been a blockbuster fixture. However, it is promising because 40 to 50,000 tickets have been sold at the FNB Stadium out of 90,000. So that means it is a very big game. And maybe with 2 days left before the game, which plays on Sunday at 3:30, it will be sold out. Hello, my name is Ngululeko Ngeo. I'm with Junior Kanye. Before we start, shout out to Justice Chabalala as well. Before we start, just a reminder that Itiski TV/Itiski Times is now on TikTok officially. You'll see some of our videos there. We'll leave the link on the description if you want to follow us there. It will become one of the biggest TikToks, of course, at some point in the next 2 years. But we've just started with some people uploading our videos there. Thank you very much for joining us, Junior. Mamelodi Sundowns, Orlando Pirates, bekuyigame ezoba nkulu kakhulu le uma ngabe mhlambi lamaqembu amabili bewahlukaniswa u6 points. Njengoba ahlukaniswa u18 points, kuyabonakala nje ukuthi mhlambe it might even affect that ukuthi le intensity le tension beyikhona ayisekho manje ngoba u18 points mkhulu kakhulu. Ingawina iPirates still kusase u15 points mkhulu kakhulu. Ayibaniki nethemba lokuthi bayasondela. What do you think about this weekend ukuthi amaqembu amabili acabanga ini before going to that game?
Enkululeko maprala kunjani?
Yes sir. Yes sir. Just
Benedict Vilakazi.
Mr. So and so.
Bafethu kunjani, keep on supporting Itiski TV, fighting no one try to fix South African football. It is still a big game for me. Pirates, they've improved this season. We need to be realistic and honest.
Sure.
Well done to a couple of players who Pirates who raise the sound with Babi's national team. Tito Masanga, Revuchelem Fuking, also a goalkeeper chain, Sbis as well. Well done to them, talent and butter. Well done to those players, but Sundowns, most of the players, they are national team. Sundowns, they've not been the same as Rulani when was there. Let me say it's point out Rulani because it's been a while now. We build the foundation. Both teams, I think the Pirates go improvement now this year. They still believe with the league they can still win it. But personally believe.
Even currently with 18 points.
They still believe when I heard one of the player managers interview, I think after the game. Yes, he said we can still win this league. It's difficult.
It's unlike,
if we can be realistic,
it's hard to see that. After a lot of matches, even the Stellenbosch game, there's such an opportunity against 10 men. You're supposed to win that. You get closer. Even after between Bonabo by 2, like 4-1 now, you're supposed to beat the guys you're fighting against, and they beat you 4-1. It's difficult to see it. 18 points. You're going to need Sundowns to lose a lot of matches. They're not going to lose that many matches.
Yeah. Another disadvantage for Orlando Pirates, they took a game to FNP. It's game, it's Sundowns. One, they're very clinical on the passes, movement of the ball. They will do as they want. I don't think if they go open game, I have scored 3-0, 4-0 they can catch.
Let's wait a little bit with the prediction. You think the coaching staff and the players at Pirates believes Uguti ithuba labo kumele badle Sundowns? Do you think they still have that mindset?
They still believe because about 30 game, I think they by this FNP as far as I heard. If
that's a Pirates home game, so it should have been played at Orlando. I'm not sure why it's not played at Orlando.
Yeah, because reason why. It means Pirates said it's a home game, Pirates. Yeah. It means but FNP. So now we see Sundowns there. When you play them, good ground in Garamfit. You don't get persons in the way for now. But the department they build their eye. Plus, Ronan is back now. Both goalkeepers, Bafana, one number 1 and 2. Very difficult. A very, very difficult.
What have you noticed about Pirates recently? Maswangani began an injury. I think they were building him up for this game. Bamdlala kuStellenbosch. He came in the second half against the SuperSport United. He played in extra time in that as well. Ukuza kanje ku Pirates before this game. What have you noticed about them?
I think Tito is not akakapholi. Soying bonilim and umdlala ngakapholi because of you need him. Pirates started very well. Ukuphendula. Very exciting, very attacking minded team. Badlala ngama-wing. Relebohile Mofokeng Nkotha. Also Mabasa Tito, second striker, doing very well. Doing ngisho I think they started very well. Bangakababoni. First round of the season they did very well. But now towards the second round, very predictable. This boy Mohaung Nkotha. Njoba ngisho mfana, I think Urichi ceiling. A very good player, sharp, make no mistake, but he can't be like Mofokeng, can't be like Tito. Umfana, since well now we are going to uqala ebenchini side abanayo umuntu odlala ka right. Kule season now, second round of the season, abanayo umuntu odlala ka right. And now Mofokeng, I think the confidence is lost. Every game that is playing is been assigned by someone which he must take look
After him.
Yes, and Utito on and off. Yadlala nini sinjat mangadlala obvious. We ask Utito iPirates magangeko something abangeke babe nala spark. They don't have midfielders too, which is uMakhehleni the one. I think ngikhuluma ngoMakhehleni akana NH uMakhehleni akwazi ukudlala kuma tight space. Mina for me there's a lot for especially we talent losing so many ball ruthless umfana playing against the best three midfielders ukuphendula iSundowns iPirates manje towards the season yophela nje ukuphendula I don't think they are the same the way baqale ngakhona yeah manje sekune ba predictable.
Let's look at the Sundowns coach. He's a Portuguese coach.
Yeah.
Coach in North Africa. He's very logical, pragmatic. He knows that he's leading Pirates by 18 points. He doesn't even have to win the game. Do you think on the back of his mind, he could be happy with the draw?
One, I listened to my interview of my former players, legend at Sundowns. Kuna influence of Sundowns before the Sun players. He bought the Sundowns, they are footballers. Yabo? Kuna Daniel Mudau, kuna Tian Mabunda, Hlompoke, and the list goes on. I hear them going manje I think they were building up against the Kemi Champions League last time. Ngidinya bypass and TV listen. Each and every game by approach us, they want to win. And you can tell, this coach Pendula, even including his players, they will wanna go and beat Pirates. I don't think they will pay for a draw. Jobusho, a draw will be good for him.
Yeah, because it's still 18
But
points.
you will wanna beat Sundowns because pound to pound with players is better than Pirates.
Sure.
11 young games.
That's true.
Yeah, but pound to pound is better. And compliment to this guy for this Portuguese coach. I know to coach in Northern Africa, but Mina since has arrived. I know Mukwena has been on top. Nagwafkhona uvelile, Roland, well done to him. Baning, Bumda, but the coach managing ukuhlanganisa combination of figure. Pelimit with the Sundowns, they went back and we let another dimension. Jaden Adams figure fit like a glove because Banige we didn't mention something very important. Alain de Marcelo himself, being join on the box. But now Marcelo, we are joining the boxing. How many
shots at goal?
You understand? Jaden Adams, Leo Dalana, he scored goals. But coach compliment to him with about boy two. These are taking Marcelo Allende and Jaden Bachoni Adams and scoring goals. Yeah, I think well done to the coaching and compliment. And going to this game, you will want to beat Orlando Pirates.
Okay, let's look at it then. What do you see on Sunday?
Yeah, 3-0. Sundowns, Minanyakaya, and I'm not going to be scared to say that. I know Sundowns, Pirates, they will create chances. Now, I don't think they will sit back. But I don't think they've got type of players individually. As a team, they can maintain Sundowns. Because the way they play, I think they can defend the same as Sundowns. Pirates, they can't defend. They concede each and every goal, each and every game. Defense, Mbogazi, Sibisi. Mfano Yalazi, one of the best talented defend. Mfano Yalazi, but
it will be an important test for him.
Yes, I was on test that they come central. I see Shalile scoring 101 goal. I see Ribeiro scoring for me. Reyners, yes. If we repair Agashaichu, Reyners will come to the party. 3-0, 4-0 con.
No goal at all for Pirates.
I don't think Pirates, I don't think they'll score. Pirates, make no mistake, was create a moment. They will try and play open game. But they still believe good they can win the league, but pound to pound with players as a team. Individually, as Pirates will see, but I don't think Rebecca Mfukeng is going to be against him down in Bonnie Lebam introduce. It's going to be him up, I believe. Two centre back. Lawrence, this guy,
Lucas Suarez.
Suarez and Kekan, yes, I believe it will work. Angeke bamdlali nalo mfana Malibonge. And three midfielders. And Reyners up front, also repair. Just let's go Reyners, Negashalule, give my siblings, but we repair Gutabeda with the link 3, 4.
All right, there you go. Thank you very much, Junior. On Sunday, Orlando Pirates will take on Mamelodi Sundowns. If we look at the form, even the confidence of those two teams, Sundowns have been slightly better. Of course, they are 18 points ahead. That's not even slight. That is significant. Orlando Pirates are a very good attacking team. They'll play on Sunday at the FNB Stadium. One team coached by a Portuguese, another coached by a Spaniard coach. So two countries that are not too far off from each other from a linguistic and geographic proximity, and maybe even the mindset as well. We shall see on Sunday. We're sponsored by World Sports Betting. Follow us on our TikTok as well. Itiski TV, Itiski Times, World Sports Betting. Thank you for watching us. For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
Hola Bafetu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
Hola bafethu, bongani bobomnisi bafethu, ngicela subscribe ku Itiski TV.